Morning, y'all. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. I'm actually been working this morning up in, I'm working in the dining room today, but I had a Walmart delivery, so I came up front so I can be up here when I got it. So it's just a little small thing. I got the little cups of brown rice and some more mayonnaise and Miracle Whip. We use both. Do y'all use both? You know, my boy Frank's in the house. Frank's in the house. I got a couple of things of taco seasoning. We didn't need very much, so most of it is for the pantry. Actuality. See, I the reason why I got another Miracle Whip because we out, and I'm gonna put this one in the freezer, the one that I already bought in the refrigerator, and ain't nothing in here. I don't even know why I put the empty container back in the refrigerator. It's a little drop, and I mean drippity drop. I didn't order these. I wonder if they just decide they want to give me some. Amber, do you eat Butterfingers? Yeah. Oh, okay. They put a bag in here. Well, okay. Whatever. You know, I ordered my trusty Reese's sugar. No sugar. Another thing of goldfish. This the wrong syrup. I ordered the sugar-free syrup. Amber does eat the Miss Butterworth, but I ordered the sugar-free Miss Butterworth because that's the one I prefer, but they gave me this. They just want to try to cause me problems. I don't have no sugar-free syrup, and I want to make me some French toast. The only meat I got is a roll of ground beef because we used the roll this week, and when I try to make. And I love these, y'all. This is something I don't get that often, but they're connected. If you eat sausage, I eat all kind of sausage, but I like these, and it's the flavor of them. They're made out of Alabama somewhere. I just went on, y'all, and just got a big box of fruit snacks. Who am I kidding? Who am I kidding? That is my nemesis, them darn fruit snacks. And I know I just got some of these. I just got them. But I told you this is something I've been having to just eat plain saltines lately because my stomach has been acting up. So I've been eating those quite a bit. And we have already opened up that box that I bought. And that's something I don't like to run out of. It's the saltines. So how y'all doing today? Y'all working from home? Yep. Let me go ahead. I hadn't eaten them all. There's still some in the container. See there, y'all? Y'all thought I ate them all up, did you? Then I got a thing of OxyClean. And I was glad of this because, you know, this stuff is expensive. And I had ordered the small one. This right at $9, the small one. And they replaced it with, the 3 pound, they replaced it with the 5 pound. So, yeah. So, I'm happy. I made out like a flat rat. Got some free Butterfingers and a big old thing of OxyClean. That was the only substitute I had today. And that syrup was then there was a smaller syrup that I ordered. This whole big old gigantic bottle. 50% more, it say. I'll just let Amber take that ball on where she's going with her. I think that's all that's going to fit it now. I have to put these somewhere else. Did I tell y'all I got me some more goldfish? Yeah, I told y'all that. and some paper towels. So that's what I was telling you. See, I really didn't get nothing. It wasn't about nothing. So how y'all doing that? I'm actually gonna take me a break because I need to eat some. Elma gonna get ready to go into her office. So she getting ready to leave here in a minute. But I'm gonna stop and get me something to eat. Is what my intention. That's the brown wild rice. Whew. Y'all having to get groceries this week. Now, I don't have no fruit for next week right now. But I probably ain't gonna have none, I don't know. Cause I've been watching my spending really tight and close lately. Trying to save until Christmas to try to, actually I got a lot of stuff in the freezer. I'm really trying to clean out my freezer, but I don't let myself get low on gravel. We got 2 out in the deep freezer. I don't let myself get low because it's something we can eat every week, like with tacos or something like that. And I try to keep some type of chicken in the freezer. And right now I got some chicken thighs and some chicken, what I'm trying to say, chicken wings. I got a few chicken wings. And of course some like chicken breast strips and stuff like that. But, you know, I have other meats like turkey, ground turkey, turkey smoked sausage, some roast out there, some seafood, fish and stuff. But other than that, I try to kind of keep, you know, what I'm gonna keep in this house, stuff my staples. And like when Amber moves, I probably ain't gonna need her and stuff because it takes me a long time just to eat. You know, if I make one meal, a couple of things, it takes me all week to finish it. I'm just about to finish my, let me wash my hands, y'all, because I'm gonna actually eat some of this Conecuh this morning. Yes, I am. Hold on one second. Go on and fix me something because I am a little hungry. Hold on one second, let me rinse this off. Whew. So how y'all doing today? What y'all got planned this fabulous Friday? Y'all working from home today? Or are you put a little water in it and let them fry up some? Are y'all working from home today or are you working from the office? Whew. I'm gonna have to get somewhere and sit down because I told y'all my knees been on one this week. So yeah. The refrigerator ain't closed. Whew. You know what? It's some cabinets right on top of my refrigerator. Which I don't know why, because I don't know who they think it's something up in there. But my brother put them in there when we first moved. Some lids to my containers, but I'm like, I don't know why they put cabinets up that high. No one, not a soul is getting ready to use them. Anyway, let me put this up. Yeah, Amber put that towels in that OxyClean up for me, because I gotta get somewhere and set it on down. Set it on down. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I'll leave it on. Let me take this over here. I'm getting ready to get on back to my job. I'm gonna need some glasses. I don't even know when I took these glasses off. Child. Well, since they on here and I had extra, Then I want to try to be picky. Oh well. They ain't the ones I wanted. I think I ordered the wrong ones, but I like these. I like the fruit punch ones the best. And I meant to order the mixed box with the fruit punch in them. Ooh, I gotta sit down. Oh, Jesus. So, that's the blessing of working from home, y'all. You could be multitasking. Like I put my grocery up. That didn't take but a few seconds. Well, I didn't really put them all up either. So, that's the problem. So, yeah. But, you know, I can, when I take another break, I can go and put something else up. But do y'all like these? I like them. Whew. Dearest interior. Yeah, man. What y'all got planned for the weekend? Y'all, if y'all a company like mine, we have to change our passwords, you know. I don't even know how many days. But I be always forgetting my password when I change it. I keep trying to use the old one, and they be saying that's the wrong password. It take me about a week to get myself acclimated to using a new password. And then before you know it, the new password be time for the new password. Anyway. So, this is gland hair. But I came to sit up here too. I don't know how long baby sit up. But I meant to open the blinds. I moved the chair and everything. So I can look out the window. It ain't like nothing be going on. My neighbor work from home. I told y'all before she worked for Comcast. But she never come out of her house. The one across the street. I very rarely see her. When we see each other, she either getting her mail or backing up, and we just throw our hand up and wave. You know. So that's about all. But I really wanted to view. I said, let me come out this room. Even though I wanted to prop my feet up on the thing. They think I still live in Memphis. I get email regular updates, but I don't vote there, of course, anymore. But they are early voting if you're in the Memphis area. As I saw in the email, ends on November 3rd. So y'all get out and vote. I don't know what they voting for. I have no clue. So anyway, that's that for that. Y'all, let me get off here. I'm supposed to be working. I'm trying to talk and ain't trying to read email and everything else right now. And can't concentrate, my mind everywhere. Because I really want to talk to y'all. You know how I do. Y'all know how I do. Anyway, I'm going to get this up. When I take my break, I'm going to put it up so y'all can see me early in the morning, in the middle of the evening, late at night. Everything gonna be all right. Happy Friday, y'all. It's Friday. See there? Now I'm dancing and singing. It's supposed to be working. Let me get back to work. I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. And you know God loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed.